Families and their four-legged friends paid a visit to Terrace Pool in Richardson for one of the most anticipated gatherings of the year.
We come out here once a year and enjoy the water events every end of the summer. He loves it. It's his favorite thing ever.
The annual Dog Splash Day is a fun pool party hosted by Furry Friends of Richardson. It's a chance to come together and cool off as pets have the time of their lives.
She's not the greatest swimmer in the world, but this is the first time she's ever been in a pool, so she's a little scared about getting in the deep end, but yeah, she'll be fine.
Dogs, big and small, ran around the pool. Some even dived right in as they had the chance to be social and burn off energy in a safe environment.
Turnouts is awesome. It's getting bigger every year.
Dog Splash Day is also a fundraiser. Furry Friends of Richardson use this and other events throughout the year to raise money for the Richardson Animal Shelter.
We do this just because to support the animal shelter and the awesome work that they do for the care for their animals and definitely for adoptions. We're trying to increase the adoption.
Proceeds from the event help the shelter care for pets as they work to find them forever homes.
We have a lot of expenses at the shelter, mainly medical stuff that we can, give our animals, dogs, cats, whatever they may need, whether it be something emergency-wise. Supplies, dog food, cat food.
The city of Richardson has a list of pet-friendly activities, including Pottoberfest, Huffines Harvest Fest, and the Cottonwood Art Festival. There's also the Bush Central Barkway Dog Park, where people and their best friends can visit. Thank you for watching Richardson Today, keeping you connected.